Hello, my name is Colleen, and in today's practice, we will be working on grounding. So this is a really great class to pull you back into your body, pull you back into your being. So whether you've just had a big energy experience, maybe working with Kundalini, or if you've just even had a stressful day, this is a nourishing class to really help you sink back in. So throughout this practice, we will be doing a few different yoga poses for a longer amount of time, although it's not necessarily a yin class. We also will be working with a Brahmari breath, which this is a pranayama, also may be known as honeybee breath. It looks a little bit like this. So we're making this humming vibration. And as we make this vibration, it's really nourishing to our nervous system. It's actually like a really cozy feeling that it creates within the body. If you have a crying baby and you're trying to get it to relax, this is even a great practice to turn to have the baby come back and sink back in. So you'll start to feel this vibrational quality throughout the whole practice, because we will be doing about 5 to 6 of these breaths in each yoga movement. So let's teach the breath first so you can feel it in your body and understand it as we drop in. So to do this, you'll take your tongue and place it onto the roof of your mouth. You'll take a big breath in. And on your exhale, sound like a honeybee, sound like a bee. Ready? Big breath in. And so as we make this sound, allow your body to sink in with the sound. So we're relaxing even more. We're letting go and we're letting ourselves feel expansive as we make the sound. Don't feel shy about being loud. Really go into it. The stronger the sound, the more that vibration will radiate through your body and the more it will relax your system. So again, let's try 2 more times together so you can feel it. Big breath in, putting the tongue on the roof of your mouth. And this time, same as before, but we'll close the eyes and draw the eyes up and in towards your third eye point. It'll create a little bit more of a vibration. So the next time, let's close our eyes and roll them up towards the third eye point. This helps to direct the energy and you'll feel a little bit different of a subtle quality. See if you notice how it feels in your body when you do this. Again, big breath in, eyes closed, rolled up and inward, tongue to the roof of your mouth. All right, so hopefully you have this by now. Now we'll layer it into some yoga poses. Our first yoga pose will be child's pose. So come to your mat. Have the toes together, knees hip-width distance apart, and then walk the hands out long. Drop your head down to your mat and really drop the body down like we're connecting our full body with the earth. Take a full breath in, starting with that breath. Another breath in. Really feel this breath as in the connection with your third eye on the mat. And 2 more here. And Then slowly start to lift your head up just a little and walk the arms over towards your right side, stretching in the side body. Once you find your stretch, place the head back down to the mat. Allow the body to drop so it's more of a passive stretch, to relax stretch. And then we'll continue with the Brahmari breath. So big breath in, tongue to the roof of the mouth, honeybee sound. Together, inhale. Three more here. Last one. And gently lift your head up and stay low, but just walk your hands over towards the opposite side. Find a good amount of stretch in your right side body, and then try to let your body collapse. So we're really letting go. Forehead comes down to the mat. Then big breath in. Exhale. Your breath doesn't have to be as long as mine. You can find your own rhythm with it. Let's take two more here. Last one. So slowly start to lift the head up, hands walk back to center, and then start to rise up into your hips. The hips come directly over the knees, and then begin to walk the arms out long as if you're opening up your chest more. One of the key components of this stretch is we want to keep our hips over our knees. And so then we can relax the head down. This will look different on every single body based on the openness of their shoulders. So don't feel like it has to look like my body. So we'll take 5 Brahmari breaths here in this posture. Big breath in. Three more, really draw out your sound. Last one here. Then gently press through your hands a little bit more. Lift your head. Walk your hands back towards your body. We're being slow here, no need to move quickly. And then come to lay down onto your mat. So now that we're down onto the mat, we'll move into a twist. So take the right knee up towards your body and then gently make its way over to the left side. You might need to move your left hip a little bit to help support this movement. And then your right arm can come out, head slightly turns to the right, trying to keep the shoulder on the mat. Again, 5 breaths here. See if you can relax your body even more. Two more breaths. 'Slowly start to bring the knee back towards the center of your body. And the left leg will come up, plant the foot onto your mat. The ankle comes onto the knee. And then start to pull the left leg towards your body for a seated pigeon. You can place the hands on your outer shin. And then wherever your flexibility allows, just pull the leg back. And find a comfortable edge where you can really relax in this pose. And we'll do 5 breaths here. Big breath in. Two more breaths. And you can begin to let go of the leg. The foot comes back to the mat and the leg untucks. You can place your both feet onto the earth and just windshield wiper the knees from side to side, just as a little counter stretch before moving into the next side. Then we'll come back to center. Right leg comes out long, left leg comes back towards your body and then over towards the side. Again, it can help to move the right hip over a bit to make room for the twist. Once we're here, the left hand comes out long and head looks over to the side. See if you can relax into it. And then close your eyes and take 5 Brahmari breaths here. Big breath in. Three more breaths. Last one. And slowly the head comes back to center, knee comes back to center. Align your hips so they're flat. The right leg comes up, foot onto the mat, left ankle onto your knee, and then start to pull the leg back. Finding a stretch where we can relax but feel that juicy edge of tension. Try to melt into your mat a little bit more on this one. Melt into the sound, into the feeling. Big breath in. Two more. And slowly you can relax the legs. Both feet come down to your mat. And then windshield wiper your legs from side to side, opening your hips and evening them out. And then the legs come back to center and come out long. Legs come back to center and come out long. Arms come down by your side. Eyes closed. And allow your body to melt into your mat. After doing this breath, it's much easier to drop into a deeper meditation and deeper state of bliss. So really allow yourself to go.